So what I did when you went like that, I leaned the picture. Right. This is your captain speaking. We're going to
take off.
Disneyland today. So buckle your seatbelt. Know how to use all the oxygen. All the oxygen. Put it on. Put the oxygen on yourself and then on your baby. Okay. Okay. You're gonna take off now. Oh, it's a nice sunny day. Spokane, we're going to Disneyland. We're gonna hit some turbulence. Okay. Is this how you play? Okay.
Yeah.
The stewardess lady will bring snacks, or gentlemen, or bring the snacks, and you can have a free beer.
Yeah. Or an apple juice.
Oh, apple juice. Okay. Can the captain have a beer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now put all your trash in the trash bags. Okay, we're gonna land now. Put on your seatbelt.